Dear students, following question is a 2-mark question from topic of cable and arches, and it is a very basic and fundamental question from topic of cables, which says that a cable is suspended between two supports across horizontal span of 75 meters. So this span is given as 75 meter, and it says that if cable carries a load of 5 kilonewton per meter along the length, so it is having UDL, uniformly distributed load, and central sag is limited to 1/10 of the span. That is, central sag or H is 7.5 meter. Now, since it is given that there are two level supports, that means supports are at same level. So we can clearly draw this diagram that this will be H with respect to line joining the supports. It is asked that what is the maximum cable tension. Now if we talk about free body diagram of this cable, there will be one vertical component, one horizontal component at each support, and because of symmetry, H1 will be equal to H2 and V1 will be equal to V2. So this is first hint that we have got, that H1 is equal to H2 and V1 is equal to V2. Now, from knowledge of cables, for funicular profile, the net reaction, that is H multiplied by maximum vertical sag, H into H, should be equal to moment, because for funicular profile to be true, moment at any point to be 0. So I am doing the same thing. I am just equating the moment at this point to be 0, and moment because of loads will be same as because of equivalent simply supported beam. So H is equal to QL square by 8. So H, that is horizontal reaction, comes out as QL square by 8H. Q is known as 5, span is known as 75, H, that is central sag, is known as 7.5. So H, that is horizontal reaction, comes out as 468.75 kilonewton. And if we talk about V1, now V1 plus V2 has to be equal to Q naught into L, that is V1 plus V2. Also we talked that V1 is equal to V2, that is V is equal to Q naught L by 2. So what I have written here is V is equal to Q naught L by 2, that is 5 into 75 by 2, which comes out as 187.5 kilonewton. Now H and V both are acting at 90 degree. So from knowledge of resultant forces, resultant force will be under root of H1 square plus V square, that is 468.75 square plus 187.5 square, which comes out as 504.9 kilonewton. So correct answer lies in the range of 504 to 506 kilonewton. Thank you.